Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make shio butter kabocha. It's another very easy vegetable side using only 3 ingredients: kabocha, salt, and butter. Finding kabocha squash is probably the most difficult part of the dish. If you can find it, please try this one. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this shio butter kabocha, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Kabocha squash, it's about 400 grams. Half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of butter. Let's cut the kabocha squash into chunks. Remove the seeds using spoon. Then cut into chunks. Put in a bowl that you can microwave. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt and some water. It's just random amount, about 2 tablespoons. Cover with the lid and microwave 4 minutes at 600 watts. Mix and another 3 to 4 minutes at 600 watts. I microwaved it for 8 minutes total, and the toothpick can easily go through. The water should be all gone by now, but if you still see some water left at the bottom of the bowl, please drain and make it as dry as possible. Let's add butter while the kabocha is still hot. Give it a mix. And it's done! Super easy! Let's serve in the bowl. And shio butter kabocha is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's such a simple dish using very simple ingredients, but it's so buttery and rich. I said this is for 4 servings, but I think I can have it all. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Shio butter kabocha is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about plain rice here, spinach miso soup here, and sweet chili chicken here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.